Lucas had recently been promoted to team supervisor, which wasn't exactly unexpected, was it? Although he still answered to his manager, he now oversaw a small group of engineers responsible for designing a fully automated apartment prototype. The initial guidelines were ambitious, as the apartment would need a system in which lights, curtains, doors, and outlets could be controlled remotely. Several devices could be integrated into a single platform, allowing residents to manage everything from their phones. Not only was convenience prioritized, but long-term efficiency was also considered. Some decisions, however, had to be carefully evaluated. Nothing could be overlooked, could it? The second phase involved choosing the technology that would be implemented in the final blueprint. A wireless system was preferred because it could reduce installation time and minimize structural changes. Although many smart appliances were available, only those that met the company's strict requirements could be included. Motion sensors, for example, were recommended for energy-saving reasons, while automated curtains were selected because they could operate quietly. The team analyzed each device's capabilities and constraints before writing the specs. Everything needed to be compatible, so several tests were conducted. The smoother the integration, the better the final workflow would become. As they progressed, the team began speculating about potential problems that might arise once the apartment was functioning. Some issues could be anticipated, but others couldn't, which concerned Lucas. If any part of the system failed, residents wouldn't be able to rely on the automation as intended. Because of that, a troubleshooting plan was created and several backup options were designed. Not only did this provide security, but it also helped the team compare their solutions to industry benchmarks. Although the project was complex, Lucas believed his team could handle it confidently, couldn't they? Before presenting the complete project to stakeholders, Lucas reviewed the final layout repeatedly to ensure every detail had been checked. A few adjustments were made, and new preset configurations were added to demonstrate how flexible the system could be. The apartment was designed as a model for future developments, so the level of innovation needed to exceed expectations. Even though many features had already been tested, further improvements were considered. By the time the team met with the board, the documentation was polished, the feasibility was proven, and the concept was ready to be approved. The hard work had paid off, hadn't it?